Namaste, crypto aficionados and my fellow capitalists. I hope you guys are doing great. I'm back again with a great project for you, and it's called Engines of Fury. Guys, I'd just like to request, please give me a like, please subscribe to my channel if you have not already. Hit the bell notification icon because it really helps out, right? And put a comment below, right? What do you think about this project? Right, so Engines of Fury, what is this? It's a play and earn arena brawler metaverse. Okay, so what does it offer? It offers a visually stunning arena brawler full of champions, fights and rewards. Okay, so in your fights you can engage player versus environment and player versus player duels and tournaments, right? And then you can receive Fury tokens, which is their in-game token, forge NFTs and earn crypto, equip your champion with furious NFT items and win more, and then finally host and buy arenas, become an arena master and earn extra rewards. Okay, so they want to make it a visually stunning crypto game that actually puts its player first where they belong. Okay, so you can buy, you can customize, you can upgrade your champion. You will need to get a a character. You will need a character to start playing, right? So you can choose a brawler, you can choose a gunslinger or an alchemist. Okay, you can even choose the gender and other aesthetic features that will make your champion stand out. Okay, equipped with powerful NFT items to gain strength. So as you know, you are hearing the word NFT over and over again right here. So the thing is, they are going to have an NFT marketplace, their own NFT marketplace. Yes, before that I just want you to see the gameplay. It's a very short gameplay.
3, 2, 1, fight!
So that's what they have for us only, right? It's not out yet. I think the prototype is out only. So we'll take a look at the roadmap later on. So, have fun and make money while playing, right? Win duels to collect your opponent's staked fury. Yeah, so the thing is that if you want to fight, right, you got to stake an amount of money, right? You have to stake an amount of fury, right? That's the coin, right? And then you can fight with them, and then you can receive everyone's stake, right? And a chance for rare NFT also, right? So, and if you don't want to fight, it's fine. They allow you to have become an arena master, and when people come to your arena, and then you can collect money, right, from that. So it's awesome. Okay, so you could forge or melt your NFTs. You can slay vicious alien bosses in your PvE fights, win rare NFT blueprints and forge them to strengthen your champion. And if you have too many unwanted NFTs, you could just melt them. Okay, melt them means sell it. So once you sell it, you will get the Fury tokens. So what is Fury tokens all about, right? So I just want to go a little bit in depth. Now, the token supply is 120 million, and this project valuation is valued at 30 million, guys. Quite high already. So the blockchain that they're going to do it is on Ethereum, and they're going to bridge it to the Binance Smart Chain. Okay. So you can see here there's a training ground. If you're coming in, it's free, right? You can fight with the AI, and then you could learn and all that. So I think this is how they want to get people in first. Okay, you come, you try, you hone your skills over there, and then if you can, after that, the next step is to go and try the boss fight. Pay a small fee, against a strong AI. Get some experience points, level up, and if you win, get some tokens and get some recipes for rare NFTs. So then, as it progresses on, there is one-on-one duel. You can also select that, and that is where you can select the amount to wager. One-on-one duels, right? And you could choose a similar level kind of opponent. You can choose spells and go and fight in the arena, and the loser has to give up the stake to the winner. So I think that is quite cool, right? So if you're fighting your friend, both of you are staking money there, right? Your friend loses, his fury is yours, his tokens are yours. So I think this gives an incentive to people to go out there and do it, because the stakes are high. It's money, right? It's valuable, right? So okay, you also can select tournament mode, and then you could fight with a dozen of players. right? Last man standing, this is good, right? Last man standing and winner takes all, plus bonus tokens or NFT. I think this is awesome. Game of death kind. You face off with everyone, and then the winner takes everything. I think this is cool. This is really cool. If they can deliver on the graphics and all that, if they can do that, I think it's gonna be awesome, right? Right. So the NFTs, again, guys, I'm telling you, this whole thing, they are just banking on the NFT things, and of course, people buying and staking their Fury token. So people will be staking. So you know what I mean. They will be staking their Fury tokens to take part in tournaments. Okay, and they will be burning up their Fury tokens also, right? So I just want to talk about the NFTs. So the NFTs, they will be having like things like swords, guns, bombs, potions and all that, helmets, shields, armors and all that. So you could receive the NFTs via airdrop, and if you participate by the community events, or you could buy it from their official game marketplace. One thing I like about them is they are going to have a marketplace, so they so you don't have to go you don't have to go somewhere else to buy anything. Okay, you could buy from the players themselves, right, from the marketplaces. And of course, you can create an NFT by forging NFTs using recipes by received by winning in the PvE boss mode, right? So there's a lot of rewards as well if you're playing the PvP tournaments, right, and in-game events, so you can receive the rewards from that. So that is the ways how you're going to get the NFTs: buying from people or forging them in game, or destroying the NFTs and you get Fury, right? So that's how they're going to make their the demand of the NFTs valuable, right? Because if you don't want your NFT, you can just melt it, right, and then you get Fury tokens. So I think they have figured out a way to keep their token in demand, keep their NFTs in demand. Okay, so I think this really explains the best. So you can search for duels, either player versus player and all that, and then you prepare for your battle. You choose your NFTs, what you want, what kind of abilities you want, and all that. Set the staking amount, how much you want, how much Fury you want to stake, and then when you fight the opponent, of course, that's based on your skill and your and all that, and then after that, you collect your winnings, right? You gain XP, you earn Fury tokens, you earn your rewards and all that, and then you go and train and upgrade. You forge, you buy new NFTs, you training ground, you go to a training ground, you fight. So I think it's an excellent formula that they have planned out. I think it's quite it's worth a look, guys. So you could take a look at this. Yeah, the roadmap is good, right? So the prototype is already confirmed, and they have got good partnerships, right? And the IDO is not out yet, it's coming soon, so you need to be on a lookout. You can join the Telegram group or the Discord and check out when will they when will their IDO be held, right? One is on DAO Maker and the other is on GameFi. Okay, so they will be having an IGO also, but no news of this at the moment, right? So Q3 is important because NFT marketplace launch. I put an emphasis on that. So the revenue streams, if you can see here, the player versus player, a certain percentage of the fee will be taken. They will be taking about 4% of the total stake, which is nothing, right? 4% is small, right? And then if you're playing in the boss, the boss level, the boss fight entry, right? It depends on the boss level. The amount of Furies actually depends on the boss level. And if you're looking at the NFT sale, every NFT sale, the fee is 3%, and the Arena NFT token sale is at 6%. So I think it's awesome. The monetization model is great, right? So you have your NFT character sales, NFT item sales, fees for players forging, minting sales, match winners fee, the boss fight entry fee, the Arena NFT token resales, right? So yeah, so I think it's awesome. So you can see the guild partnership. So guilds are becoming very popular nowadays, right? So guilds are actually like, you know, schools where they offer scholarship, you know, so good players can come in and they can learn about Web3 and all that. So, you know, one thing is playing and earning from the game, but the other thing is about learning also and building something in Web3. Okay, so I think this is one thing good about this you know, project. They've got the right you know, partners, and of course Ice-T Labs, not to forget, one of the biggest, right? So guys, yeah, let me know what you think about this project, and please leave a comment and let me know what other projects I should be looking at, right? So thank you for your time and namaste.